First, build a rough building massing model. If you're stuck during the design development phase and have reference images, just search for ArchMaster.ai. Go to the AI drawing tool interface. Select Creative Mode Creativity Effect. First, upload a screenshot of your massing model, then click Style Reference, and import your reference images one by one. AI will automatically replicate the lighting, color tone, environment, and scene elements from your references, quickly generating multiple design options. Just pick the one you like best. Based on the selected AI-generated design, proceed with precise modeling, then go back to ArchMaster. Find the Model Rendering tool in the AI Tools section. Select the corresponding base image of your model, and upload your detailed model. Choose the architecture type, for example, office building, then pick from various rendering modes. Each mode offers different levels of visual impact and accuracy. Select your preferred design style and render with one click to get high-quality results quickly. Once you're happy with the rendering, use the Weather Season Swap tool to fine-tune the mood. It includes 20 atmosphere presets, sunlight, backlight, black and gold, etc. to meet different design needs. When downloading, enable HD Details Upscale to restore details, enhance texture, and make your rendering even more refined. At this point, the massing model and rendering are done. To make your design more complete, use the AI Design Agent. One-click generation of architectural functional module analysis, internal circulation analysis, landscape node analysis, massing analysis, axonometric analysis, facade material analysis, solar analysis, all kinds of analysis diagrams, and more, saving time while maintaining professional standards. Continue using the AI Design Agent. Enter a prompt to generate renderings from multiple angles, including bird's eye, front and low-angle views, etc. The exterior and overall style remain completely consistent. Then use AI Image to CAD. Select the appropriate drawing type. Upload your front elevation rendering, and AI will automatically convert it into a clean black and white line drawing. Then generate a standard CAD file. After downloading, import the file into CAD software. You'll get a clean elevation drawing with no broken lines, ready with organized layers. Only minor adjustments are needed. This is 10 times faster than drawing from scratch. Upload your bird's eye rendering to the AI Design Agent tool. Enter a prompt. Select the image model, and generate a master plan, including black and white line work in a CAD file. Import it into your software and fine-tune the details, elevations, sections, and master plans. A full set of standard CAD drawings is now done. If you also want a video presentation for your design, the steps are very simple. Go back to AI Design Agent, enter a prompt, and generate storyboard frames with one click. Then open the AI Image to Video tool. Upload the storyboard frames one by one, choose your preferred camera movement, and generate a complete video presentation with one click. The animation quality rivals professional production. Finally, to summarize, using just 5 AI tools, from massing model, detailed model, precise rendering, various analysis diagrams, standard CAD drawings, to cinematic video animation, the entire workflow is seamlessly connected. No professional knowledge or complex operations required. Even beginners can easily handle architectural design and development. Go ahead and give it a try.